So in the last video we published a gig. Now when you click on gigs it will show your active gigs. Now go back to the home. So when you click on switch to buying, you will be buyer and you can find other freelancers to fulfill your task or project. Right now our response rate and other stuffs are 100%. So let's click on your profile. It will show your active gigs, and here it shows our gig which we published in the last video. So let's open our gig in new tab and scroll down a little bit. Here our description that we write when we create our account. Similarly, languages, you can also take a test, but right now we are not interested. Linked account, skills, education and certificates. You can add certificates if you want. So this is your profile overview. Let's look our gig. So our gig looks nice so far, nice title and image. Although the pic is not mine, but we will create it later. Our gig description is nice and clean. Let's scroll down a little bit. So cool so far. Here's our basic, standard and premium packages. $10 standard, premium $20. Our FAQ section. So our gig is published and client can order on our gig. So let's go back to our profile and explore other options. So close the other tab and click on the dashboard. So this is our dashboard where active orders shown, and when we click on messages it will show your notification and inbox. Mean chat with our clients. Right now it is empty. Click on see all in inbox. So close this. So our inbox is empty right now. Let's go back, switch to selling mode. So dashboard messages done now. Now click on orders option. It will show your order history, which is active order, which one is delivered, and how many orders are completed or cancelled. So now click on gigs. You already see it on the start of the video. So impression means when client do some search on the Fiverr, how many times your gig appear, and click means how many times client click and open your gig, and orders mean how much order you got on this gig. Now explore the analytics section. Here you can see your total earnings, completed orders, average selling price, and how much you earned this month. Here you can see other details in detail like earning and stuff like that. So now discuss the Fiverr levels. Achieve these goals to become a level 1 seller. Right now we are a new seller. If we want to become a level 1 seller, we have to earn $400, complete at least 10 orders, and complete the following requirement. So response rate 100% right now. And if we want to become a level 2 seller, we have to earn $2,000 and complete at least 50 orders. So order completion rate means how much you completed the order when clients order on your gig. On time delivery means when you delivered the order on time or not. Rating when you complete the order, so client gives you a rating and stuff like that. You have to maintain at least 4.7 rating. Selling seniority, complete at least 60 days as a seller. And orders and earnings, as I told you before, 10 orders and $400. Let's scroll down a little bit. Here's your all-time ratings, and in the world domination mean where your client comes so far and how much order you completed in the specific countries. So we explored the analytics page. Now move on to the earnings page. So here you can see your earnings, withdrawn, and withdraw your funds pending clearance. So when you complete the order, your amount will be in on the pending clearance, and after 14 days it will be available to withdraw your funds. So as I told you before, we are using some other speak on our gig. You can see our gig is removed and denied by Fiverr. So that's the beginner mistake that I want to show you practically, so you will not do this mistake and don't be disappointed. Now our gig is not active. It means our gig will be not be appear on search results, so it means our gig is no longer available. So don't do this mistake, and in the next video I will show you how you can remove the image background and how we make pictures for our gig. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.